Hello, welcome back to Let's Cook with Michelle. Today I'm going to make a couple of different recipes that I saw from one of my friends and just kind of put my spin on it. So Mark the Grillionaire, I am going to take two different recipes that he had on his page. He had some chili lime shrimp skewers, and then he also had some pineapple that he cooked and made a glaze on, and he typically uses his smoker or his grill. And so I'm going to use my charcoal grill today and just kind of put my spin on things. So Mark, here's my take on it. Hope you like it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sauce to put on the pineapple and also to baste on some of the skewers. I love pineapple. I like coconut. I'm going to put in my pineapple. All right, so I've got my pineapple in there. And then I had this coconut, Real Gourmet cream of coconut. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of that. And then I'm a sucker for sweet and salty. I'm gonna put in a little bit of salt. Not gonna go crazy. You can always add more, can't take it away. Marinate things with this. Pineapple is really good for marinating different meats, things like that. Really tenderizes meat. Any type of chicken, pork, seafood. Okay, so that's ready. Okay, first I'm gonna do a shrimp one. And I wanna do this with smaller pieces because shrimp cooks pretty quickly. So I don't want these shrimp getting overcooked and rubbery. I don't know. Shrimp, I like it really tender, so it doesn't take long to cook shrimp. So, got that. And I'm not going to put pineapple on here because I'm going to grill them also separate. So we'll have the big yummy pieces of pineapple with it. So, I finally bought these skewers because I don't like the wood ones. You have to soak them, and then they tend to kind of splinter, and I'm just not a fan. That's what I was missing. I was looking at the last skewer, I'm like, what am I missing? Oh, a mushroom. That's fine. Just gonna do one shrimp one because I have a lot of chicken. Mushroom, and we'll top it with a piece of red pepper. Alright, pretty shrimp one ready to go. You have two more pieces of shrimp, so I guess we'll just do a small one with some shrimp. Veggies. Okay, shrimp one, done. Okay, now I'm going to get into the chicken skewers. So I've got some chicken thigh. Alright, let's work from the bottom so I can keep more control of the chicken. Got it. Red pepper. Mushroom. Zucchini. I probably should have cut the zucchini a little smaller, but what am I missing? Nothing. Alright, do some more chicken. Okay, this is the boring part. I will not make you watch all this because boring. Okay, so I've got the skewers all ready. Got two shrimp ones, and then the rest of them are chicken thigh skewers. Got those ready to go. This is my garlic Parmesan butter that I'm gonna brush on them as I go. And then the pineapple is ready to grill as well and brush with the pina colada sauce. I'm gonna brush that on the shrimp skewers too. So let's go out and get started. Okay, charcoal grill is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pineapple put on. Hopefully these can get a nice little char on them. I like the nice grill marks on my grilled pineapple. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on. Especially want to make sure to get this on the vegetables because I intentionally did not season the vegetables just because the chicken has teriyaki dressing on it, which has got a good amount of salt. So I don't want things to be overly salty. Here's how it ended up. Here's my shrimp one here, my chicken ones here, and my pineapple here. And I brushed these with the pina colada sauce as I was cooking and flipping them. And I did brush a couple of these with it too. So here is my plate. There is my plate. Okay, let's taste it. First, I want to test the pineapple. That's good. I love grilled pineapple. It would be better if it had more char in it, but that pineapple is excellent. Let's taste a piece of chicken. And I want to taste some shrimp. All right, here's the shrimp. That's good. I like that pina colada sauce in there. That's really good. And the chicken. Got some nice char on that. The teriyaki on the chicken with the sweet of the pineapple. Let's try a little bit of that together. Yep. That's really good. I'm gonna chow on this. Make sure you check out Mark the Grillionaire. He's got all kinds of grilling and smoking recipes. Check those out. And also please make sure you like, share, and follow on my channel. Let's Cook with Michelle. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Got lots of different recipes, always looking for ideas, so thanks for joining me.